Hi there, students. To behove and to behoove. They're the same word, they're the same meaning. Only the Brits use behove and the Americans use behoove. Okay, if something behooves you, it is fitting, it's right, it's appropriate for you to do it. It's the right thing for you to do. So it behoves me to tell you that you need to do something about your financial situation. Okay, so to behove, to be fit, to be suitable, to be fitting, to be appropriate. Okay, so his behavior does not behove a gentleman. Yeah, it's not appropriate, it's not suitable, it's not befitting. Yeah, you need to behave in a way that behoves your status in society. Let's see, I'd like to look at the formality of this. Let's see, in British English, to behove, I think this is incredibly formal. I'm going to give it 8.5 and very old fashioned as well. I think the Americans use behoove more than the British. It's still pretty formal, but the other day I heard this word used in an audio book. Notice a modern science fiction audio book. So I think probably this word is still around in the US. I'd be interested about comments in that. So I think maybe a 7 in formality in the US, but in British English, very old-fashioned, very formal. So to behove or to behoove, it's necessary, it's proper, it's advantageous. Notice as well the structure. It behooves somebody to do something. Okay, it is fitting for that person to do. It is meet and right, MWT. It's appropriate. Okay, it behooves you to do something that is right. Yeah, it is, it could be, it's useful. So it behooves you to think about what is going to happen in the future. It's necessary. Yeah, you can't just sponge of other people. It behooves you to find your own source of income. Yeah, it it behooves a judge to be impartial. Okay, it would behoove you to not bite the hand that feeds you. Yeah, it would be worthwhile. It would give you an advantage. Yeah, it would serve you well. Yeah, it would serve you better. Okay, so to behoove, to be fit, to be suitable, to be necessary, to be in the best interest of. Okay, or to be becoming. Okay, so behavior that behoves a gentleman, very definite, that's suitable for you. It would behoove you to polish up your English pronunciation a little bit. It would behoove your English to concentrate more on getting the grammar right. Okay, let's see. As to origin, well, there's an Old English word, behofian, to need or to be necessary, from Proto-Germanic behofana, an advantage or a profit. Let's see, we've got an old Dutch word, behoven, to need. Okay, so it's clearly in other languages as well. Okay, so behove. Enough. If you enjoyed the video, give it a rating, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you soon. Bye for now. To behove or to behoove.